Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to continue another topic from refraction of light. Now, let us start with a few questions. Have you seen a mirage in which is an illusion of the appearance of water on a hot road or in desert? Or have you seen that objects beyond and above a holy fire appear to be shaking? Now, this everybody must have observed, right? Why does this happen? Even if the holy fire, just above the holy fire, if you observe, you will see that the air is shaking, right? Why does this happen? And let us see. Local atmospheric conditions affect the refraction of light to some extent. In both the examples given in the previous slide, the air near the hot road or the desert surface and near the holy flames is hot and hence rarer than the air above it. Followed? You are following the point? Whenever there will be heat, that particular area will become rarer medium than the air which is below it or above it. It will be above, of course. Now the refractive index of air keeps increasing as we go to increasing heights. Followed? So because of this increase in the refractive index of the air, you already know what is a refractive index, right? It is a value which is calculated from the ratio of the speed of light in a vacuum to that in a second medium of greater density. Correct? So let us see how is mirage formed. In the first case, the direction of light rays coming from a distance keeps changing according to the laws of refraction. Now the light rays coming from a distant object appear to be coming from the image of the object inside the ground as shown in the figure. This is called as mirage. Why it will happen? See, what happens is the light ray, of course, is coming from the tree only here, but the direction of the light rays will keep on changing. Why it will keep on changing is because there is heat. So the light rays, whatever are coming, whatever they are coming from a distant object, it will appear to you that it is coming from inside the ground, because the direction of the light will be changing. The light ray will be constantly refracting because of the heat which is there. So it becomes rarer to denser. Followed students? That is why a mirage will be formed. Now in the second example, that is the holy fire, the direction of the light rays coming from objects beyond the holy fire changes due to changing refractive index above the fire, because above the fire it will be rarer medium, and whatever light ray is coming, it is coming from the denser medium. So whatever the objects you see, they will appear to you that they are moving, but actually they are not moving. See, you are able to see the object because you are able to see the light rays, right? Now if the light ray changes the direction, the object will also appear differently to your eyes. Followed? So in the holy fire case, what happens is that the holy fire, just above the holy fire, because it is very hot, it becomes a rarer medium. So once the light ray passes from denser to rarer, we know that the light ray would bend in a certain way. Correct? So here also the same thing would happen, and the object would appear moving to be in front of our eyes. Followed, students? Now let's see apparent position of a star. Now the effect of atmospheric conditions on refraction of light can be seen in the twinkling of the stars. How? See, we know that stars are self-luminous, means they have they are having light, okay, and can be seen at night in the absence of sunlight. They will twinkle, that means. Now they are appearing to be point sources, means they are present at some particular point and you are able to see that because of their being at a very large distance from us. So they appear a point source of light to us. Now as the density of air increases with lowering height, what I said, as you come down, the density of the air will increase, okay, and as you move up, the density of air decreases. Followed? So as the density of the air increases with lowering height above the surface of the earth, the refractive index will also increase. So as you move up, the refractive index will increase, but the density is decreasing. Followed? Starlight coming towards us travels from rarer medium to denser medium. Why rarer medium? Because the density of air is less over there above, right? Whereas down the density of air is more. So the refractive index will also be more. Now whosoever's medium's refractive index is more, that medium will be denser, of course. So the starlight coming towards us travels from rarer, that is above air, to denser medium, and constantly bends towards the normal. Followed? Same medium it is, air only, above also air is there, below also air is there. What is the difference? The above air is less dense than the air which is at lowering height. Followed? So whenever the light ray is coming from the stars, it is constantly bending towards the normal. Now this makes the star appear to be higher in the sky as compared to its actual position, as you can see in the as you can see in the picture. Followed, students? Have you followed what I said? What happens that the air which is on the top near the star, that is rarer medium. The air which is below where we are standing, it is a denser medium, and constantly the air which is the light ray which is traveling through this air will keep on bending towards the normal, and this will make the star appear further away from its original position. Followed? Twinkling of the stars. Now this apparent position of the star keeps changing a bit. This is because of the motion of atmospheric air and changing air density and temperature. So because of this, the refractive index of air keeps changing continuously, and because of this change, the position and brightness of the star keep changing continuously, and the star appears to be twinkling, because every time the how the ray bends will change. Why it will change? Because the atmospheric air is constantly in motion, and the air density and temperature is also constantly changing. So because of that, the refractive index of air changes, and because of this, the position and brightness of the star will also keep on changing. That is why in the daylight you will not be able to see the stars. We do not see twinkling of planets because planets are much closer to us as compared to stars. They therefore do not appear as point sources but appear as a collection of point sources. Because of changes in atmospheric refractive index, the position as well as the brightness of individual point source change, but the average position and total average brightness remains unchanged, and that is why the planet do not twinkle. Followed? Why? Because stars are the point sources to us, whereas the planets are the collection of point sources to us. Followed? And because of this changes, atmospheric refractive index, because of this changes in the atmospheric refractive index, the position as well as the brightness of individual point source change, but the average position and the total brightness will remain unchanged, and that is why you can see the planets will not twinkle. Followed, students? Now by sunrise we mean the appearance of the sun above the horizon, but when the sun is somewhat below the horizon, its light rays are able to reach us along a curved path due to their refraction through Earth's atmosphere, as it is shown in the figure. See what is the real, where you are standing on the earth, what is the real position, right? So the real position is below the horizon, but the apparent position which we are able to see is above the horizon. Why this happens? Because the light rays are able to reach us along a curved path because of the refraction of light. Thus, we see that the sun, even before it emerges above the horizon. Followed, students? Though the sun has not risen till yet, we are able to see it rising because the refraction of light rays, that is sunlight rays, will be along a curved path. Because of the light rays will be refracted. Same thing happens at the time of sunset, and we keep seeing the sun for a short while even after it goes below the horizon. Followed, students? I hope all these topics are clear to you. Thank you so much, students, for watching the video.